Hi ladies, it's Dawn and I wanted to come on here today. I'm going to try to keep this short, but this video is mainly for my dry-skinned, delicate-skinned, sensitive-skinned ladies. This winter, as you all know, I've been in the polar vortex of the Midwest and my skin has taken a beating. My lipid barrier, well, it's mainly my own fault. I was using my Mad Hippie and I was using my Apple range of products from Beauty a little too far into the winter when the heat was blasting and the air was so cold and dry. And I started breaching my lipid barrier and experiencing peeling. And when my skin gets overly dry like that, it produces more oil and I have breakouts. So my skin was in pretty bad shape for about a week and I needed to just stop everything I was doing, even my facial oils. And I decided to purchase the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses range of products for sensitive skin. I thought it would be the perfect time to test out these products for you. I have tested out some of the products, but I didn't have the whole range. I have a subscriber friend named Sally who is so sweet and she really has helped sell me on these products. She was raving about the body lotion and she was telling me about it at about the same time that I received my Petite Vour beauty box that I subscribed to, and this was in it. It's the body lotion. And she said that she puts it on her hands and arms every single night, and she even noticed some lightening of spots. And so I've been doing that every single night, just like she said. I don't have a lot of spots on my hands, or uneven skin tone, but I did notice, look, I painted one. I'm practicing with clean nail polishes for you. And so I have a different color on each nail, only on one hand. I should have taken that off, but this is what I do. So anyways, I've been putting this on my hands and I have noticed that my hands have been incredibly moist. This has a very light rose fragrance. So I don't know why there is still a fragrance in it. I love fragrance. I love the sweet, natural scent of this. It's very gentle and very light. But I know that there are people who cannot tolerate fragrance in any way, shape, or form, whether it's natural or synthetic. They just can't tolerate it. Many of you tell me that. So this does have fragrance in it, which is unfortunate. I wish that they would make maybe 2 ranges that does not have fragrance. I will say though that the eye cream, they have an eye contour cream. Excuse me, they have an eye contour cream and that does not have fragrance in it. So if you would like to try this range of products but cannot tolerate any type of fragrance, the eye contour cream does not have fragrance. So you can try that product. This is just a really nice body lotion. I love it. I just slather it on everywhere. I don't have the full size yet, but I am going to go out and purchase it. Now, the way I like to try my Andalou products, if you've been watching me, you know that I like to purchase them in kits like this because it comes with 5 products, the skincare essentials. They make this kind of kit for every type of products they have. The brightening, the age defying, the acne prone, the sensitive skin, 1000 Roses. And they have the 2 new lines. They have one that is for firming and I cannot wait to try that one. And they have one that is, it's called Phytocell, and I'm not really sure what that one does yet. I do have the shampoo and conditioner though, and I like it very much. So anyway, this is getting long. So I did try it in a kit like this, and I have mine here. And what my kit came with is the Pearl Exfoliator. It's the 1000 Roses Pearl Exfoliator. It came with the night cream and the day cream, and it came with a toner, and I think, is that everything? It came with a rose water mask, not the cleanser. So I went through these products and I did buy a second one just because they're only $15 and you can get them cheaper than that on Vitacost for like $13. And so it's a great way to really give the product line a go to see if you like it, and you get all these products for $15 or less and you can see how your skin reacts to them. So that's the way to go. So all of these products have the same ingredients in them. They have alpine rose stem cells. They have pomegranate for firming and tightening. They have, let me see. They have humectants for binding moisture. They have aloe in it. The whole purpose is to restore vitality to your skin, to soothe irritated, dry skin, and to help your lipid barrier remain intact or to repair it if it has been breached, like mine was, and I was flaking and peeling. And it just restores your moisture balance. And you can use them AM and you can use them PM, and it's really lovely. It comes with a toner. The kit does not come with a toner, and it doesn't come with the serum. So I did go out and I purchased the cleanser, and it has all the same ingredients in it. The alpine rose stem cells, it's got the pomegranate, it's got tannins and polyphenols, which are often found in red wine and found in your witch hazels and things like that. And what that does is it's antioxidant. It has a lot of antioxidant and vitamin benefits, but also tightens up pores by getting impurities and debris out of them. So this is a foaming cleanser, and I was really happy to find this one because my favorite cleanser in the whole wide world is the Andalou brightening cleanser in the orangish yellow container, and that's from the brightening line, and it's a creamy cleanser. It has vitamin C in it, and many of you don't like creamy cleansers. You like foaming cleansers. So this one is a foaming cleanser, and it does whisk away all the makeup and impurities and things like that on your skin. I don't do a double cleanse. I do just a single cleanse. And then I like to go in with a cotton swab and use a toner. And I don't have the toner that comes with this because I'm using a different toner right now. But I do have a rose water and glycerin mist, and I do have several other rose waters. And that's really what's in the toner. So I didn't want to spend an extra $13 and buy the toner when I have this. I really like this a lot. Then I purchased the serum because my skin was really in need of just more moisture, and I really wanted to try it because I've heard lovely things about it, and I've been using it for about 3 weeks, and I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful serum. The other serum that I like to use too is from the brightening line, and this is the vitamin C Enlightened Serum. This was in my favorites. You can see I'm getting through this pretty quickly. So I alternate these. I like to use this one in the evening more as a treatment, and I'm using this one during the day beneath my makeup. It really does help protect my skin from the elements outside and the heat inside. So it's really wonderful. And then I have the night cream and the day cream. I put these on too. I use the night one. I just put it on sparingly. Same thing with the day cream. They do not make me break out, and that's what I was reluctant about. I wanted to make sure that they weren't too heavy and would make my skin break out, and they don't. So, and they also have the alpine rose stem cells, the aloe, the pomegranate, the antioxidants, it's got grape seed oil in it, resveratrol. It's just a really good, healthy, vitamin enriched product. And so that's the whole range of products. They've really been helping my skin. I've been using this. This is what I've switched to during the day. So my Mad Hippie has been sidelined for a while. The only thing I'm doing with the Mad Hippie, I have sidelined the exfoliating serum, and I've just been using, I haven't been using Retin-A, so I've been using the Retinol. And instead of using the vitamin C, which is very active and can make my skin get a little bit dry, I am using this now during the day. I am positive that once the weather warms up again and we have more humidity in the air, I can go back to other products. But Andalou Naturals is just such a great brand. It's so active and it really works, and the price point is amazing, and it's accessible at Vitacost, at your Whole Foods markets, any kind of fresh market. And now I think Target carries some of them, and your superstores. Like we have Meijer out here where I live, and they carry it too. So just whatever superstore, I guess, check online and see if they carry it. You can order it online. That's the way I like to do. I like to order it mainly from Vitacost, because if I go to Whole Foods, if I'm out of something and need it right away, I end up paying the full price typically. But if I order it on Vitacost, I can save $2 or $3. So I am going to go ahead and link all these products below. But this is also a giveaway, and I have an extra starter kit for the 1000 roses for one of you, and I would like you just to like this video, leave me a comment just saying 1000 roses somewhere in your comment, and I'll know that that means you'd like to be entered in the giveaway. So I'll go ahead and draw the winner of this giveaway 1 week after this video goes up. That gives everyone time to see it and enter the giveaway if they'd like to. And I'll draw a winner using random comment picker. So if you'd like to try this, go ahead and enter the giveaway, and I'll mail this out to one lucky winner. I think you'll be really pleased with these products, especially if you have dry, delicate, sensitive, mature skin like I do. So anyway, thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.